Good morning, scholars. I wanted to make a quick video on how to do this week's grammar. So if you look over here at 10.1.3, and we're going to do a preview of that so you can get a sense of it. So in this week, your job is to identify clauses. You've got two clause types, independent and dependent, and then your sentence types. So right here, you've got a reminder of all the work that we've done so far. We labeled the parts of speech. The ones in bold have the parts of sentence labeled. So now, what you have to do is we are going to copy and paste the clauses into the spaces below. If there's not one, type blank. All right, so let's say you thought many students was the first clause. You're going to copy and paste it. And then you're going to say independent clause or dependent. Now, I need to go back and change these, but make sure you use the abbreviations in the instructions right up here. All right. Now, let's say you thought the rest of the sentence was the second clause. So you would put that right here. And let's say you thought that was a dependent clause. Okay. And then that takes care of the sentence, so you're just going to type blank in the rest of these. Okay. Oh, and then our sentence type, since I have an independent and a dependent, I'm going to say that is a complex sentence, CX. Okay. Now, incidentally, none of those answers are correct. So just so you know, I just want to show you how to fill out the form. All right, let me know if you have any questions.